All right, guys. Next break we're doing tonight is one box break I've got of Super Break football. So this is the touchdown edition. So there are two high-end cards in here in each box, and so this is going to be a random division break. So 8 spots altogether, and each spot gives you one random NFL division. So let's go ahead and randomize the divisions first. So in this break, I've got John W. with 1 spot. Donnie, you've got 2. John P. with 3 spots. Rebecca's got 1. And then Cole, you've got the last spot. All right, so let's randomize the order of the divisions first. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So AFC North up top. All right, now let's mix up the orders of the guys here. Figure out what you've got. All right, so here we go. 5 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we got Donnie up top, John W. down at the bottom. All right, so let's go ahead and line these up. All right. So Donnie, you've got the AFC North. John P. with the NFC East. Rebecca with the NFC North. John P. with the AFC West. Donnie's got the NFC West. Cole with the NFC South. John P. with the AFC East. And then John W. with the AFC South. Yeah, I think with that big box, I agree. A couple of you guys said that first one was a little bit better. Although that Brett Hull and Gordie Howe, that was a pretty sweet one. All right, good luck, fellas. Let's see what we can get out of here. All right, hit number 1. Oh, dude, how about a Dak Prescott? Dak Prescott from Immaculate, 10 out of 99. Relic auto on card. That is going to be the NFC East. John P. John, congrats, man. That is a nice hit out of Super Break. All right, card number 2. All right, we got a rookie auto, Greg Olsen, but not as a Panther, but rather as a Chicago Bear. On card, rookie patch auto, number to 725 from SP Authentic. So that is going to be the NFC North, which is going to be Rebecca. So not a bad Super Break there. 2 rookie autos. So congratulations to John P. and Rebecca pulling the cards out of that. So that'll do it for Super Break. So don't forget, next weekend we've got Premier Players football through Gold Rush we'll be doing. So that's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be very similar to Super Break, where we'll be pulling some nasty stuff out of there. So I hope that you'll join us then.